Hey everyone, this is Iook. Welcome to my new video. Last time I talked about the differences between Shopify plans, pricing, features. I compared them and also I showed how to set up Shopify payments very simply. So if that's what you're looking for, that's not what I'm showing. You can simply check the other videos that I have in my channel. Today we will show you how to use the Shopify inside the software. Before I start showing, I would simply want to say that the best thing for you to do is gonna be just playing around by yourself. In order for you to start playing around, Shopify is offering 14 days free trial, which you can find the link that I have in my description. When it comes to the e-commerce website builders, there are different options such as WordPress with WooCommerce. There's Gumroad and there's Wix. There are many of them. I want to say that numbers do not lie, and Shopify is one of the leading, maybe with WordPress and WooCommerce, they're fighting with each other or something. But dealing with hosting on WooCommerce and making it linking with the WordPress website, it's super overwhelming. The main reason that I like Shopify is it is simple, and if you're a beginner, I think Shopify is the best that you can go for. Alright, so after we hit the link that I have in the description, you're simply gonna put your username, you're gonna pick a password, you will answer some of the questions they're asking, you're gonna pick a store name, and then you're simply gonna land on this dashboard. The very first thing, early thing that you can do in order to start your store, simply going with the themes that they have. They do offer not a lot of free themes, but they have the paid ones. But if you're a beginner, you also can go with the free themes that they're offering. And the good thing is that we can always do a customization on the themes that they're offering, and we can take a look. These are the free ones, not many, but again, it's good. The Brooklyn ones are the good ones, and we can simply upload this one on our store, and then go and adjust on it, play on it. So after you're in it, if you hit the customize, you will be in this page that simply you're going to be able to play with everything that you have here. You can once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. You can put it, you can arrange the where the text is staying, starting from the right, left, middle. Simple, yeah, if you start with the themes, you can get your store, the very first front face of your store, the landing page can be great with just starting with a theme that you can add to your store. The other thing I like to say is simply the products. If you had your products listed already, this is the part that is going to be the list of your products. If you don't, you simply can add it from here. You put the name of your product, you put a description to your product, you add a lot of media to your product, and put the pricing. You can arrange your inventory from here. In here, you just say that there is, and then you add the options and have everything looks simple. Variations can be okay, if you're selling a shirt, this shirt can be a large, medium, XL, or a color. Anything can be a variation, up to you. There's no limitation for the variations of the products that you're selling. All right, the one thing that I love is Shopify simply that allows our store to have more capabilities and add a lot of add-ons, whatever is missing, whatever we want to put on. It's super depth, and a lot of things here is Shopify App Store. If you simply log into the App Store, they're apps that for example, let's say you want to have a pop-up ad that is coming on the landing page. You're just gonna put the pop-ups, and then whatever available apps there that's just gonna come. You can see, you can compare. One great thing for you to see the differences of the apps and everything, you can simply check the 10 best free apps on Shopify App Store. I can also make a video just like that. Then there are informations about the apps. What are the apps about? They're apps about everything, and these are the things really gonna change the store that we have. And unlike WordPress, I really do love the way that apps are working. It's not there are not a lot of updates coming. It's not gonna slow down your store, so it's gonna work fine, that I can say. Okay, the other thing is an additional sales channels that you can put. They have direct integrations with different sales channels. You can put it on Amazon, eBay. I think this is also great. Simply, you can launch your business to anywhere that you want. Every information, the description, everything you put can kind of match with the other selling platforms as well, so you can distribute it. I think it's great. Yeah, the one thing I can say, I really do love the simplicity of the how everything is. The sidebar is great. Search is super powerful. Whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to ask about, just like go with the search, it's gonna bring it up. And this is the part that you will be simply like seeing your product, your orders. And in the orders page, you can see like if it's fulfilled or not fulfilled with your shipping. You can mark it as fulfilled, and you can add a note to your client and everything. This is the also like part that you'll be able to do it. Yeah, Shopify also gives a lot of analytics, like how many sales that you've done, like how your stores are doing, what's converting and everything, like that you can learn a lot for your ads that you're running or something. Again, as I say, like the one of the thing that would kind of like set everything best is simply just like playing it around, seeing like what they have, discovering the themes, like getting their information and knowledge that they're putting it. And from there, the more time you put in your store, the better the work that you can obviously have. Simply like in order to play around, they do have the 14 days free trial that I have the link added to my description. You can simply get it started if you're serious about Shopify. And that was it for today. I do appreciate your time. If you kind of like watch my very like simple tutorial how to use Shopify, what's inside Shopify software, how everything looks if you have your store. And this can also help you to get your store started, like take the little bit overwhelming part, because we pretty much mentioned like the super basically like what's out there. Yeah, it's all up to you to how to make your store again. And that was it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If this video was did added some value, please do hit the like button. And if you have any questions or anything further you'd like to discuss, write down a comment. I will be answering any question that you ask to me. So yeah, you can simply play it around by yourself and let me know how everything goes. Thanks so much for watching again, and I'd like to see you on my next videos. I appreciate your time here. See you. Take care.